All right, Austin Rodriguez. Hello, why were you late for court?
On 37, right before Easterson Chavez, an accident happened literally right in front of me. So I got pinned up so close to the traffic wreck that I couldn't get out and around.
Okay. All right, so today is plea deadline date. What is the status?
Because there's been an offer that was made, that we discussed the last time. But at the last hearing, I filed those motions that are with pending before the court. I filed them on the last setting. I had advised the court if I couldn't present them today, and so that's what I would like to move forward on.
Okay, I'll take up the motion to withdraw after we take up, where are we on the plea deadline? Has an agreement been reached or no?
No.
All right, is that correct? No agreement reached?
No, actually, I was under the assumption that he had already resigned.
No, he has not.
I didn't know that. I thought he had already done that day. I've been this whole time trying to find representation elsewhere. I thought I had found another lawyer, but he wanted everything all in one.
No. Here's the thing. I'm not in the middle of your negotiations with another attorney. My only question before I move on is, did you receive the offer and has an agreement been reached? So did you receive the offer from the state?
You said last time 12?
Whatever offer, who's with the state? All right. Did you receive an offer?
Last time I was here, yes, ma'am.
All right. So are you reaching an agreement with the state or no?
No.
All right. Court is calling 2025 CR 012326 and 2025 CR 012329 State versus Austin Ronald Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Daniel Vela for Mr. Rodriguez, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Rodriguez? Your attorney has filed a motion to withdraw. Are you aware of the motion to withdraw? Defense, why are you filing a motion to withdraw?
Your Honor, Mr. Rodriguez, we have a legal services contract that has not been fulfilled. And we're asking the court to allow me to withdraw so that he can either get appointed counsel or retain another attorney.
All right. Do you agree that your contract with counsel has not been fulfilled? Do you have any objections to his withdrawal? All right. The motion to withdraw is granted. You're excused.
One other thing, Your Honor. Well,
Yeah,
I was gonna
thank
ask.
you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Just have a seat and we'll be right back with you. Okay. Esteban Tiarino. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. I really do appreciate that. So today is plea deadline date. So has an agreement been reached?
No, Your Honor.
Are you all requesting a jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
How long do you expect the trial to last?
This particular charge may be.
I'd concur with about a week.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you can set this for a jury trial in the new year, that's the only availability we have because there'll be no more jurors after December 11th. All right, and I'm going to need an acknowledgement of discovery signed.
When a
Right,
case
so
gets
what
set
date?
for jury trial this far out, it's not just scheduling, it's strategy. A week-long trial tells us this charge is evidence-heavy, witness-dependent, and contested. And notice the timing. After December 11th, jurors are unavailable. Translation? The system itself dictates the pace of justice. And here's the reality most defendants don't realize. Once a jury date is set, plea offers don't usually get better. This is the fork in the road. Deal or dice roll.
I'll be here. Yeah. All right, March 10th, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Just have a seat.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. You have a good day.
Thank you, you too. All right, on Elena Moreno.
We're ready, Your Honor.
So has restitution been paid?
Judge, we were able to come up with about 70% of the restitution I have in my hands. About 70%, give or take, maybe a couple percentage here or there. to every single one of the individuals in this matter who have sought out restitution.
So are those
These are all money orders and upfront restitution forms.
all right, so if y'all could take that upstairs, is that where it needs to go?
Go to the first floor hot check section, and I previously told defense that those can be taken out of the plea. It really doesn't affect where I stand, but if they'd like us to take it now.
Yes,
It's up to the court. So
Yeah.
if you want me to go take that down there right now, I'm
Yes.
happy to do so.
yes. And
Okay.
if y'all can make sure to tell me then, once he takes those, what's the outstanding balance?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you.
May I be excused?
Yes, thank you.
Thanks.
Joseph Rodriguez.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hi, so why were you late for court?
I got caught behind that car wreck,
Okay,
and then when I was trying to park, the tap to pay wasn't working.
okay.
I was having an issue with
How
that.
many people are gonna say they were caught behind the accident? No, I know.
Really,
that-
the tap to pay though kind of
Yeah.
ran in my.
No, I know
issues.
there was an accident, but I'm always like, everybody should meet outside and say, hey, everybody, remember, behind was an accident, yeah. Okay, so today is the final plea deadline date. So have you all reached an agreement or no?
We don't have an agreement, Your Honor. We do have an offer. It appears that one of the officers that was part of his arrest, it has a case pending. He's a defendant with the DA's office right now, so we're just looking into the status of that. It's still ongoing. And that's where we're at right now.
All right. Norma, recall this for the week of December 15th. That will be your final plea deadline date. After that, it's gonna be set for jury trial. All right, so we're gonna come back on December 16th. All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Yes, thank you.
Rolando Gomez. Court is calling 2025 CR 1562 State versus Rolando Gomez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Roger Pettis for Orlando Gomez, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Gomez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you have a motion to revoke, and Ms. Ferguson, if you can make sure that he has a reset form for December 18th. And you are here requesting a bond, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so he is on probation for burglary of a building, a state jail felony. It appears that you all have reached an agreement of $15,000, is that correct?
That's fine, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, Mr. Gomez, would you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand. I just have a few questions to ask you, and it's related to your bond, not to the facts of this case. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so first, and these are yes or no questions. Do you have a place to live?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Are you employed?
Disability exercise.
Okay. Now, my next question is, have you, since you've been placed on probation, have you had any type of mental health issues? Have you seen a doctor or psychiatrist?
No, Your Honor.
Have you been placed on any type of medications?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And have there been any alleged use of any type of drugs, be it marijuana or anything else?
No, ma'am. No, Your Honor.
Right. Court will set your bond at $15,000. And the court is just following the agreement that you've reached with the state on that bond amount. And for the record, the court thinks that bond amount is appropriate.
This exchange is textbook bond analysis. The judge isn't weighing guilt, she's assessing risk, housing stability, employment, mental health, substance use. These yes or no questions might seem simple, but they form the legal backbone of pretrial liberty. And notice something important. The judge openly states she believes the bond is appropriate. That transparency matters. This isn't punishment. This is the system deciding, can we trust you to come back?
We will bring you back on December 15th. So you need to, I'm sorry, 18th. And you'll have to make sure that you're present on that day. It will be at 9 a.m. You will be given a reset form. So make sure that you're here and that you're on time.
Yes, Your Honor.
And as soon as this is put in the system and you've made bond, you'll be released from custody.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Esther De La Fuente. All right, today is jury trial date.
Ready, Your Honor.
All right. You have a question?
Oh, no, I didn't hear you. I'm sorry.
Okay. All right, so we're going to be in a attempted capital. So what I will do, Ms. Ferguson, recall this case for Wednesday, and we'll see if the capital actually goes. So we'll have you back here on December 10th.
December 10th. Thank you,
Yes.
Judge.
All right, thank you. Jamar Coleman? Is this a motion to revoke?
No, Your Honor, the court had set this to just check on the case. He's been found incompetent.
Yes.
Um,
So, he's scheduled to go to the hospital?
yes, he is.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, on this case, set this as a phantom date in March. And so, Mr. Coleman, when I say put it in the system as a phantom date, it means that no one's going to be able to see it to show that there's a setting, because I don't want any issues with your transfer. And I don't want them to say, oh, we need to bring him back because he has a setting. But it's just for me not to have you get lost in the system, because sometimes people can get lost in the system. And I don't want you to get lost in the system where nobody is keeping up. I know your attorney will keep up, but I don't want the court to lose wherever you are, okay?
This is one of the most human moments in the entire docket. A phantom date isn't a loophole, it's a safeguard. When defendants are found incompetent, they can literally disappear into the system. The judge is doing something rare here, proactively preventing bureaucratic neglect. This isn't about speed, it's about not losing a person inside the process. Justice doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it looks like quiet accountability behind the scenes.
All right, what date? All right, so council will put it down for the 23rd of March. And council, if you're able to come in before that date and you see that he's still at the hospital or hasn't been transferred yet, let me know and I'll see what I can do.
Well, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, do you have any questions? All right, thank you.
Thank you, dear.